China's credit impulse is picking up. Here's why it matters to Bitcoin. Credit impulse, an indicator introduced by former Deutsche Bank economist Michael Biggs, measures the change in new credit issued as a percentage of the gross domestic product. Featured speaker Alex Thorn, head of firm-wide research Galaxy. Here Alex Thorn share his take on Bitcoin and inflation. It's complicated at Consensus 2023. Secure your seat. Featured speaker Alex Thorn, head of firm-wide research Galaxy. Here Alex Thorn share his take on Bitcoin and inflation. It's complicated at Consensus 2023. Secure your seat. While the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, maintains its anti-liquidity stance, China no longer seems hesitant to expand credit in a positive sign for risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. By data source Macromicro, China's Credit Impulse Index, which measures the change in new credit or bank lending as a percentage of the gross domestic product, has bounced from 24% to 26% this year, indicating a renewed credit expansion relative to the growth rate. A continued rise in China's credit impulse could contribute to the global financial cycle and support global risk sentiment, expanding global asset prices and global credit, according to a paper published by the Federal Reserve in November said. Bitcoin, being a risk asset, tends to move more or less in line with stocks. Historically, there has been a strong correlation between China's credit impulse and Asian equity markets, per Credit Suisse. Besides, previous instances of renewed credit expansion in China have coincided with major bearish to bullish trend changes in Bitcoin. So, a continued rise in the Credit Impulse Index may bode well for Bitcoin. China's. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.